So guys, look at this is the most beautiful fish market in United Arab Emirates. This fish market, this is one of the best fish market ever I seen in my life. Just in Dubai.
Dil Pakistan.
Dil Pakistan.
Aywa, thank you brother. So I'm urging you to come and visit here so we can support the.
Yes, like him.
These are the people who is fighting in a daily basis to do a living. So you buy to them.
Yes. So guys, this is Roti, our favorite. Roti, and Asian also favorite. Roti. So now, this is Paya. Yes, we are going to try Paya. Paya, one of the best. And one of my favorite, look at that.
We're going to the midsection.
We're going to the moon. Room. Shake.
Today is a weekend, so this is our first time to go out with Madam and of course with Ishan. Say hi, Ishan. Yeah. So this is our first time since summer. So this is our first time to go out because now it's winter. So the weather is little bit okay. And we decided to go outside today. Go to park, play games, and take breakfast to one of this restaurant. And after some time, we'll see what we can do more. So see you. Windy, and of course Ishan is enjoying. Yay! Are you enjoying, madam?
I'm enjoying walking.
Wow! Come on! How about you? Woo! You're enjoying or no? You're not enjoying? Yalla, let's go home. The weather is so nice, and of course this is one of the best places to hang out here in Dubai. It's just near from our place, so this is the easiest place to just walk around. And look at Ishan and Madam. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching.
What happened? Oh, there is technical glitch. Kalas. Guys, this is something wrong.
You're an IT bro.
It's not about IT. Okay, enjoy. Go.
We will take pictures.
Seen a lot
You win or
of
you lose?
I
change,
win.
been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never
Yes guys, we are
be
doing biking right
fine.
here in this park.
I strive
It's,
just to say I'm
Beautiful day today in
alright.
Dubai.
And for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
Hello.
I've seen
Hello,
a lot
everyone.
of change,
Woohoo.
been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
It's fit. Yeah, Omia has a bigger head. Yeah! Of course,
Dito may lagay
there is Paya. What is this, my friend?
This is roti.
There is Roti, and you know the famous one, Rocks.
This is my favorite.
Yeah.
But because I'm sick, I cannot eat all.
Only Roti you will eat now.
Yeah, this is too
Shway only, shway.
little.
Roti, egg, Paya, and paratha. This is Pakistani paratha. Of course, I am with these guys, with Madam, with Ishan. I am with the famous Rocks. And of course, myself, I want to reveal also Dildil Pakistan, and Namaste India. Ayubuan, Sri Lanka. So guys, this is Roti, our favorite Roti, and Asian also favorite Roti. So now this is Paya. Yes, we are going to try Paya. Paya one of the best and one of my favorite. You know, look at that.
If you guys know, if you guys know what nihari is, kaya is
that.
basically nihari.
Very soft, guys. Look at that.
Message, tawagan mo ako.
So guys, we already finished the food. Everything is clear. So after eating this food, see what will happen.
See, this now. Medicine. I need to eat medicine, otherwise my GERD will make me karbal.
So after eating parata, paya, and everything, medicine.
I cannot stop eating Pakistani food. Wala, this is very good.
About Indian food?
Paya number 1. Indian food, I love pani puri. Number 1, pani puri.
About biryani.
Biryani, which one is good? Pakistan, India? Oh, same. But my cooking is better.
How about you, madam? What is your experience today?
I'm
Good.
full.
You like paya?
I like
About
paya and
nihari?
nihari.
Our team, Kuya Mutats.
Hello everybody, Dildil Pakistan.
About India.
Namaste, Ayubuan.
So with Neil is our Formula 1 driver.
Hello guys! So Kuya Eds and friends are now here in Fish Market in Dubai, UAE. So, hi guys. Hello! Say Dildil Pakistan.
Yes, Pakistan.
Yeah. So we are going to buy fish. Dildil Pakistan. Aywa. Thank you, brother.
So what's up, guys? Today we're in the fish market. The person that smells the worst is me. That's why you smell fish.
Yalla.
I'm
Where is your
always here.
bicycle?
My bicycle is kidnapped by another bicycle. So please, guys, fund the money. We need 1 million dirham.
Where are you from?
From Pakistan.
Said Dildil Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Stand our Pakistan. Oh, run. Stand our Pakistan. And you know what kind of fish is this?
This is tilapia.
It's famous in the Philippines. Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Not tilapia, tilapia.
This one, you know this one? Oyster. You said Asian, this is oyster.
That's oyster, right?
Oyster.
So guys, look at this is the most beautiful fish market in United Arab Emirates.
Really Asian.
Nice fish market. You know, this is one of the best fish market ever I seen in my life. Just Dubai.
Going to the meat section.
We're going to the moon. Room. Shake.
Huh? So guys, over here in the meat section is the bee. See?
Hello, pare. Dildil Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Dildil Pakistan.
So guys, this is the meat section and now we are going to vegetable section. This is our famous in the group, Miss Rocks. So guys, this is the vegetable section of the fish market. You see, there is a lot of vegetables. Any type of vegetable you can find in this section of Dubai Fish Market. This is our best cook, Mr. Tats, Kuya mo Tats.
Hello everyone, Dildil Pakistan.
And this is our committee of vegetable rocks. Vegetable committee. Committee of all purpose. How are you, boss? From where? From Pakistan? Huh? Bangladesh. Say hi to Bangladesh. We have a lot of viewers from Bangladesh.
Follow our page.
From where?
Kuya
From
Eds
Bang-
Facebook page.
From
Facebook, eh?
Bangladesh? Ah, you know him?
Yeah.
You know him? Ah, that's why you came directly, huh?
Yeah, guys. So, you know, if you are living here in Dubai, UAE, I know you know this waterfront. So, I'm urging you to come and visit here so we can support.
Yes, like him.
These are the people who is, you know, fighting in a daily basis to do a living. So, you buy to them.
Yes. So in fish market, you can buy a lot of flower. There is a snake plant. Asa lang yung snake plant? There is a snake plant. I don't know what is the name of these flowers, but if you come to Dubai Fish Market, you can buy all of these flowers. So if you're in Dubai, guys, you can directly come. If you want any type of flowers, you can directly come from this corner. This is inside the vegetable market. Facebook. Yeah. Kuya Eds, invite him if they're in Dubai. Tell him to come to your. Let him come. What is the name? Shop D24. Yeah, this is Shop D24. Yeah. So guys, if you want to come and buy watermelon, this is 1 year warranty watermelon. After you taste, you can return. Yeah. How much? 1 year warranty.
Just 1 year guarantee.
Okay. 1 year guarantee. Yeah. So you can come.
Kawawa nga yan. Sabi niya, first customer daw niya tayo.
So you can come in this store. What is the number of your store? Say free taste.
Again, free taste of
Too much matamis, too much sugar.
Sarap, matamis.
Good.
Very sweet. Good. Number one.
Number one.
Goods quality.
Number 1 quality. Ah.
Si Makin.
1 year guarantee na.
1 year guarantee.
This not good. Give me for 1 year.
See guys, this is 1 year guarantee free taste.
1 year warranty. You bring this one.
Thank you.
Brother, I'm leaving.
Uy, balik mo, huy. Uy, come back. Hello. So if it's not good, my friend, we will return now. 1 year warranty. Okay, bye my friend. Bye. Thank you.
Go, brother.